Hi! This is an unboxing video and initial review of a Dagne Dover wallet. In particular, the Slim wallet in 2 different colors. So if you're interested in watching, please stay tuned for more. Alright, so my Dagne Dover Slim wallets came in this white cardboard box. It's got the brand name and the logo written on the outside of the box. This box came in about 7 business days from the time that I ordered it. I ordered it on a Sunday night and I didn't receive it until not the following Tuesday, but the next Tuesday. So let's go ahead and check this out. One-handed unboxing. So I already removed my first wallet that I received, but I have not unboxed the other wallet at all. Have not done anything. So let's check it out. So here's some tissue paper. And here we go. It is Dagne Dover's signature print in this camo, and it says Dagne Dover right there on it. So nice little dust bag with a drawstring. Okay, let's go ahead and set that there. And here is, whoa, here is a very nice, ooh, I love that. I'm gonna put this on my vision board. Almost like a green. I don't know if it's meant to be, but this is my favorite color, green, kind of that mint. Looks like this just contains this card that says "Do It with Passion." Beautiful cardstock, and it has all of their social media and website information here. All right, so let's just remove the box here. Okay, here we go. I haven't seen it yet. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so already there's a difference in the 2 of these wallets, and that's that the other wallet that I received came in a plastic wrap, and inside of the plastic wrap it was covered in tissue paper like this. So I have not removed it, so it just came like this, and look, it was already kind of unzipped. That's kind of weird, but you can see, I apologize for the nails, but this is a brushed metal black, and it was kind of unzipped when I got it. What the heck? Wow. It has snap closures, one on each corner. Oh my goodness, my other wallet actually had packing material in it like this. Everywhere there could be packing material. So this one didn't include any of that. I wonder if this was a return that they just sent to me or something. The other wallet also had a seal tag. So I don't know what's up with that. But you can see there's the brand name. This is not true to color, what's showing up on camera. This is looking a little different. So just know that. I thought this natural lighting would be good lighting, but maybe not so much. But the snap closures are black. And the zipper is, so they go together. As you saw, it says Dagne Dover here and also here. The exterior is a coated canvas, which has a bumpy texture to it, but it feels just like the website describes. It's easy to clean, and that's what it feels like. Like if you got anything on it, it would be easy to clean. The inside is a polyurethane, which is a sort of a composite material, and there's just a little bit of the coated canvas right here on the interior as well. But there you go. Inside of here is just a soft fabric that feels like this fabric. But there's 5 card slots and a cash pocket, and it's the same on both sides, so you get a total of 10, 2 short cash pockets, and 1, 2, 3, 4 of the longer cash pockets, which for me, I'm probably going to put cash and receipts, personal, and then cash and receipts maybe for work on the other side. And I'm going to put the 10 cards that I use the most in here, probably my ID, and then the zip pocket is just going to be for coins for me. So there you have it. I will say it is slim, but it's not as slim as I thought it was going to be. This side, this edge is not, but this edge is as slim as I thought it was going to be. So I also grabbed a pen so that we could see what it would look like if we wanted, if, you know, some people like to have a pen handy. I think you could slide in a check register here, but I'm not sure if the check register would close with these snap closures here. But let's just see what this looks like with a pen in it. Oh yeah, you could easily do a pen in here. And if you wanted, hook the pen on the edges to the outside. But yeah, look, the pen is in there securely, not coming out. So you could do that if you wanted. I'll grab my check register and see what it looks like, see if it fits. Okay, so I grabbed my checkbook, and without showing you any personal information, you can see that the checkbook is in here. It is still snapped close, and the pen is in here too as well. Too dark to really see down in there. There it is. You can see that the pen is right there. So the pen and the checkbook fit in the slim wallet, and to me, it's still just as slim as it was without those items in it. Just for reference, here's the other wallet that I ordered. So this color is Sea Mist, and this color is Wildflower. Both of these colors, I checked the website before I made this video. Today is July the 8th, 2019, and both of these seasonal colors are sold out and gone for good. So I'm sorry if you're loving them. They're sold out, but they have great colors still there. There's 12 colors, so 10 minus these 2 colors to go check out. Lots of color options. The fun thing about this beautiful Wildflower is that it comes in a rose gold finish on the hardware. So I'm loving both of these. I'll share some more information. All right. Next, I did want to go over the specifications in case you were interested, anyone out there. So the wallet, this is a zinc alloy. As far as the metal hardware is a zinc alloy. The outside is a coated canvas, and the inside is polyurethane with a little bit of coated canvas. Closed, the wallet is 7 3/4 inches long by 4 inches high, and open, it's still 7 3/4 inches long, but it is 8 1/4 inches high when it's open, and it has a 5-ounce weight to it, so it's super light. I mean, super light. And this wallet actually has some of the packing material still in the zippered compartment, which the zippers open really easily. So this one still has some in it, but even without it, this one doesn't have any packing material in the zipper pocket. But even without it, even without the packing material, you can see it's the same color on the inside. is the interior and the exterior, same color fabric. But even without it, it still has like a plush, like it's almost like feels padded, and yet it's a slim wallet. Padded with the padding material inside, packing material inside and without. So hope you've enjoyed this unboxing and initial review. I've got more information if you'd want to stick around. If not, see you later. Dagne Dover, their website is dagnedover.com, DAGNEDOVER.com. And Dagne is Nordic for new day, and Dover is the last name of one of the founders of Dagne Dover. So they just combined them, and that's how they got Dagne Dover. The founders are actually all female, 3 different founders: a chief executive officer, a chief financial officer, and a chief creative officer, and they are all female. So female power. But it's really great for a handbag and accessory company to have that point of view. And the actual chief executive officer used to work for Coach, so she wanted bags that were both fashionable and functional, and that's exactly what Dagne Dover is. But Dagne Dover is not just for women. Most of their items can be used by either gender, so just know that, or anyone in between. Dagne Dover found me on Instagram. An ad came up in my feed, and I was interested and went and checked it out and was hooked immediately. The ad was actually for their Allen tote bag, but I haven't gotten that quite yet, but I plan to, maybe. So my first purchase is the slim wallets, but your first purchase off of their website, you get 10% off. But they also have a referral program, so if anybody uses your referral code, you can get $25 off of your next purchase, and they will get 10% off of their purchase. And you can go on YouTube and use anybody's 10% discount code, and continue to get discounts every time you place an order. I just want to thank all the YouTube reviewers, because I have watched, and I'm still watching, so many YouTube reviews of every type of Dagne Dover there is, and they were super helpful. You guys are amazing, so thank you so much. Final thoughts. These wallets are $75 a piece with 10% off. So for the 2 wallets, that would have been $150, but I paid $130. Their sales section on their website is phenomenal. Things are like half off, so that is the place to shop. This is kind of on the higher end as far as price, this brand, but I think you're getting a great deal for the price. You're getting high quality for the price. So I will have a follow-up review to this, maybe in, I don't know, 1, 3, or 6 months from now, and see what I'm still thinking about these wallets. But they have free shipping and free returns. So I got the 2 wallets thinking I would keep one and maybe return the other. But I also thought maybe I'll keep both wallets if I love them, or I'll keep one and give another one as a gift or something like that. But I'm going to list my referral code so that you can get a discount if you're interested, and we can both benefit from this. Lastly, I'm going to go over the dimensions, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment or a like if you like this video. Thanks.